Good morning, folks. This is page 57 in your workbook. Okay, I'm going to give you just a second, pause right here, and go ahead and jot this stuff down. Okay, now I need you to turn in that workbook to the back section of this book. If you look in the bottom right corner, you're going to see something that says Module 1 Foldable. Okay, in the bottom corner, it's going to look like that, FL3. And we are going to cut this out. Okay, you're just going to cut straight out. So pause the video. All right, and we should be back on page 57. You should have something just like this right here. And you are going to cut it down the middle one time. So you have a top piece and a bottom piece. We're just making us a little foldable here. So let's go through. Hopefully you've already jotted down your tables. Okay. So this is a proportional table, this top section. This is what we've been working on. So we're going to throw those points on the graph. So I have 0, 0, over 2, up 1, 2, 3, 4, over 1, 2, 3, 4, up about 8 would be somewhere up there. And then over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is going to end us up somewhere way off of our graph, and that's okay. But we do know that proportional relationships start at the origin and pass through and are straight lines. Mine's not a very straight line, but it should be. Okay? Now, to find our equation, our y equals kx, remember, we have to do y divided by x to make sure. So here, 12 divided by 6 is 2, 8 divided by 4 is 2, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. So this is proportional. And that k value, this is going to be y equals 2x. Okay? And so then we're just going to, after you've got that, you can pause the video at any time. After we've got that, we are just going to tape down right here. Okay? Tape glue, whatever you have at home. Okay, to make this stay, it's just going to be a little foldable to help you study before our test next week. All right, and then this bottom one, this is non-proportional. So this means this is not a proportional relationship. Okay, and it's going to look something like this. And the hardest part about knowing proportional and not proportional is this is a straight line. It looks nice. It looks like it goes up. The equation here is actually going to be y equals x plus 1. And as you move on to Math 1, you'll learn why that's the equation of this graph. But we do know that it is not in the same form as y equals kx. So that makes it not proportional. And over here, we'll check our ratios. 2 divided by 1 is 2, but 3 over 2 is 1.5. And 4 over 3 is 1 1/3. And remember, to find k, you have to divide y by x. That's where that's coming from. So there is no k here. So k does not exist here because this is a not proportional relationship. So you are going to tape this down as well, and then you have your review. You do not have to answer these questions at the bottom. You just need to send me this page with your flaps open. Thank you. Have a good day.